What are you doing? Ephraim, come here. Come here. Hey, you. Come here. Come here. Let go of that chair, silly boy. Come here. Come here. Ephraim's already walking, but he's not walking fast enough, so he figured out that if he pushes the chair around, he can walk faster. Come on. Come on, you stinker. The chair won't go in there, Ephraim. What are you doing? A silly dance? You doing a silly dance? You're okay.